What if I told you that if one technology backbone failed tonight, banks would freeze, hospitals would lose data, governments would struggle, and AI systems worldwide would go dark? And it's not Google, Apple, or a flashy Silicon Valley celebrity. It's Michael Dell, the man who started in a dorm room and built a $150+ billion tech empire. Real power isn't fame, it's dependency. At 19, in that dorm room, Dell asked, why does inefficiency exist, and who profits from it? Efficiency creates power. That rule didn't just build a company, it rewired the entire PC and enterprise industry. Today, Dell quietly powers governments, banks, hospitals, AI and defense systems. Not loud, but essential. So is Michael Dell just another billionaire, or one of the most quietly powerful people alive? By the end of this video, you'll understand why some chase attention, while others control the systems the world cannot turn off. This is a power story. This is the real story of Michael Dell.
This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The content is based on theories and not verified facts.
Michael Saul Dell was born in 1965 in Houston, Texas. At age 12, he bought his first computer, and by 15, he was dismantling machines to understand how information flows. At 19, while in a college dorm room, he noticed a fatal flaw in the PC industry. Too many middlemen, high costs, zero customization. His solution: sell direct, control everything. With just $1,000, he started assembling and selling PCs, and that single idea rewired the entire industry. Michael Dell later said, efficiency isn't about cost, it's about power. In 1984, he dropped out and founded Dell Computer Corporation. Fact: first-year revenue, $6 million. Age 23, Dell goes public, IPO. One of the youngest CEOs of a public tech company. Michael Dell: the strongest empires are the ones you can't see, but can't live without. Imagine starting with $1,000 and building a $150 billion tech empire. Michael Dell launched PCs Limited in his dorm room in 1984. Within 2 years, sales hit $6 million. By 1988, the company went public as Dell Computer Corporation, making him a millionaire at 23. Technology alone doesn't create value, solving real problems does. Dell didn't just sell computers, he reinvented the supply chain. Direct-to-consumer sales faster, leaner, no middlemen. Build-to-order systems, custom solutions for every client. Zero inventory waste, higher profit margins. Customer-driven design, solving real problems. Dell didn't sell hardware, he sold efficiency. Today, Dell Technologies is more than a PC company. It's global digital infrastructure, controlling PCs and enterprise laptops, servers and data centers, cloud and AI hardware, cybersecurity and data storage, enterprise software and virtualization. 2025 to 26 fact: revenue, $90 to $95 billion per year. Market value, $110 to $120 billion. Enterprise value, $150+ billion. Operating profit, $6 to $8 billion per year. Net income, $4 to $5 billion per year. Employees, 120,000 plus. Countries, 180 plus. Dell systems power governments, banks, hospitals, AI labs, stock exchanges, Fortune 500 companies. If data is the new oil, Dell builds the pipeline. How many companies disrupt entire industries by eliminating inefficiency, innovating constantly, and solving real problems? Very few. From a dorm room idea to global digital infrastructure, Michael Dell proves, innovation plus efficiency plus customer obsession equals empire. This is not tech, this is economic infrastructure. Question: what does it take to transform a PC company into a global technology empire? The answer: vision, strategy, and execution. By the late 2000s, Dell faced serious challenges. Stock price pressure, declining PC demand, missed the smartphone revolution, Wall Street pressure. How do we stay relevant in a world moving to AI, cloud, and enterprise systems? In 2013, Michael Dell made a bold move. He took Dell private in a $25 billion deal. You can't transform a company while the crowd is watching every quarter. This allowed Dell to restructure, plan long-term, and shift focus to enterprise, cloud, and AI. Today, Dell is global digital infrastructure, not just PCs. Michael Dell asked himself, how do we stay relevant in a world moving to AI, cloud, and enterprise systems. Dell powers AI and enterprise systems. Servers, supercomputers, NVIDIA GPU AI systems. National AI data centers and enterprise deployment. Key partnerships, NVIDIA, Microsoft Azure. Governments. Who controls the future? The people writing AI code, or the ones running the machines? PCs and devices, laptops, desktops, workstations, XPS, Latitude, Precision, Alienware, $50 billions plus per year. Servers and storage, data centers, cloud servers, AI compute systems $40 billions plus per year. VMware, historical Dell owned 81%, value $60 billions before spin-off backbone of enterprise virtualization. Dell doesn't just sell machine, it controls how data moves. Boomi, a data integration engine generating $500 plus in annual revenue, connecting applications and workflows across hybrid cloud systems. Share repurchase, Dell announced a $10 billion buyback, demonstrating strong cash flow and investor confidence. Michael Dell repositioned Dell as an AI and enterprise infrastructure giant. Key tech and AI companies under Dell. Dell Technologies, servers, AI hardware. Dell EMC, cloud and data storage. VMware, virtualization, core to AI and cloud globally. SecureWorks, cybersecurity. Boomi, data integration. Pivotal, formerly, enterprise software. Fact, Dell servers power. Banks and financial markets. Governments and defense contractor. Hospitals and healthcare systems. Universities and AI research labs. Cloud providers. This is information power, not social media fame. When nations depend on your systems, influence follows naturally. Important truth, Michael Dell does not control government, but governments depend on Dell infrastructure. Dependency creates influence, not authority. Without companies like Dell, AI governance slows down. Digital economies weaken. National security infrastructure becomes vulnerable. That's modern power, quiet, systemic, and indispensable. Net worth, 2026 EST, $145 to $155 billion. Global ranking, top 10 to 12 richest people in the world. Ownership and control, 47% stake in Dell Technologies. Majority voting power, founder, CEO, and chairman. Rare strategic freedom. MSD Capital, family investment firm, manages $30+ billion in assets. Investments, technology, private equity, finance, real estate, hedge funds. Key insight, Michael Dell's wealth is ownership-based, not salary-based. He earns billions annually through dividend, share appreciation, private investments, power in action. Ownership plus control equals ability to make long-term strategic decisions, steer Dell Technologies, and influence global tech infrastructure. Dell's future focus, AI infrastructure, edge computing, cybersecurity, enterprise cloud, data sovereignty. Michael Dell's core rules. 1. Control infrastructure, not trends. 2. Eliminate middlemen, own the customer. 3. Think in decades, not quarters. 4. Scale quietly, silently, and strategically. 5. Essential, not famous or loud. You don't win by being loud, you win by being essential. If customers can't function without you, you've already won. Technology doesn't change the world alone, people who know how to use it do. Michael Dell isn't the loudest billionaire, he didn't chase headline, but when the world's AI systems turn on, Dell machines are already running. From a dorm room PC seller to a $150 billion tech and AI empire with 0.12 million plus employees across 180 plus countries, Dell proves that vision, strategy, and execution build empires shaping economies, governments, and the future of technology. Fact, as AI grows, infrastructure providers like Dell hold more power than app creators, quietly controlling the systems the world depends on. Banks, governments, hospitals, AI labs, and cloud providers. Michael Dell's core rules. 1. Control infrastructure. 2. Eliminate middlemen. 3. Think decades, not quarters. 4. Scale quietly. 5. Become essential, not famous. Quiet power lasts the longest. If systems can't function without you, you've already won. From dorm rooms to national data centers, Michael Dell built a necessary, invisible empire, quietly shaping how the world works. Is he just a billionaire, or one of the most quietly powerful men in modern technology? Now you know why Michael Dell isn't just a billionaire, he quietly runs the systems the world depends on. If you found this story inspiring, smash that like button, Subscribe for more billionaire power stories, share this with someone who wants to learn real success secrets, and drop a comment. Tell us which Michael Dell rule inspired you the most.